Hey everybody, Mike Links Fitness here, MAF GigEcon, as I'm known on this channel. And right now I'm sitting in traffic. That's right, I'm sitting in traffic. On my way to see my girl. You know, tomorrow, Friday, is our anniversary, so I wanted to spend the weekend with her. But I come here today because I want to talk to y'all about something that's going on when it pertains to Uber and their competitor to Instacart, CornerShop. And in my area, CornerShop will be no more come the 28th of July. But before we get into that and all the details on that, if y'all new here, make sure y'all punch that subscribe button, ring that sexy bell, and Hulk smash that like button. Now y'all know what time it is. Cue the way.
Come on, let me show you how we get it outside.
While I'm sitting in traffic, I wanted to talk to y'all about my thoughts on CornerShop as it pertains to the driver, not the consumer, because the consumer, you can use CornerShop all day long and Postmates all day long. But as it pertains to the driver, Uber Eats is now going to be taking all of the CornerShop orders. It'll be all filtered through Uber Eats. And you definitely, if you don't have a Plus card, you need to order yourself a Plus card on Uber Eats so you can continue to get those orders before the app in your area shuts down. Because come the 28th, which is in about, say, less than 2 weeks. Oh no, it actually is 2 weeks. My birthday is less than 2 weeks. So in about 2 weeks, the app is not going to be any more good for the driver. Consumer, you can still use the app, but all the orders will be filtered through Uber Eats. In my area, it'll be officially gone July 28th. And I see this as a positive for the driver. Because now on Uber Eats, you can work in any state or market that supports Uber Eats. They open it to everywhere, just like DoorDash. And now that they're filtering CornerShop orders, the orders that you used to not get in other markets than the market that you currently work in, now you're getting those orders on Uber Eats, which on Uber Eats actually helps with more orders filtering to your phone, which means there's more money in your pocket. For me, DoorDash, I have not got any orders on DoorDash. I've seen more orders on Uber Eats, and I see why. Uber Eats, if you include the ride share, if you do ride share on Uber Eats, has 4 different apps filtering all into one. So if you just want to do food delivery, you can do food delivery from Uber Eats and Postmates. If you want to do CornerShop orders on top of that, you just toggle it on for the card and you'll see CornerShop orders on there. If you want to do ride share along with that, you can toggle it on, or you can just do ride share. Now I like that Uber Eats allows you to choose what you want to do, because you can do ride share all day, you can do the food deliveries, and or you could do the shop orders with your Plus card, which makes it so convenient. And with just the CornerShop app, it was new in my market. There's only maybe Safeway and maybe another store that was way too far from where I live, but was still in the market of area that I could actually work. For CornerShop, I didn't get any orders on CornerShop. Nor did I understand how to actually use the app. So I'm glad that it is integrated to Uber Eats, because it allows people to get more orders in other markets that they normally would not get when it comes to shop orders. But you must have an Uber Plus card. If you did not have an Uber Plus card, then you can't do the CornerShop orders. But you get your Uber Plus card, and then you activate and you're good. And on CornerShop, they will direct you to sign up for DoorDash. So definitely, I see this as a plus. I know a lot of y'all who have been successful at CornerShop getting good paying orders on CornerShop, but now you'll see those same orders filter, through the Uber Eats app. And I gotta say, Uber Eats lately, at least for me, has been going up when it comes to apps I want to work. Because I see order after order after order after order. You see some trash orders. I don't take the trash orders, but I appreciate the fact that I'm getting orders all day long on the app. Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, after I finished my routes, I turned on the Uber app, had my Plus card turned on, and I was getting order after order after order. And normally during lunch rush, you don't really get any orders like that. On a Monday, I made $105 on Monday, and I finished around 1 o'clock after completing my route. And I like it. DoorDash has nothing on Uber, at least in the 2 markets that I work. Nothing. DoorDash is declining, and I see why. I see why DoorDash is declining. People ain't taking orders because you're not showing the full payout. That's one advantage that Uber has. They show the full payout. But on DoorDash, they do not show the full payout. They show partial payout. They don't even show at least 50% of the tip. They don't even hide a penny if they had to. The amount of orders I get on DoorDash is non-existent. The last couple times I turned DoorDash on, I got 0 orders. And DoorDash has a thing where they'll pause you without even letting you know that you got paused. And by the time you realize you got paused, you're already not even on the platform anymore for being able to receive orders. That's the thing that DoorDash likes to do. Just because you're not getting any orders, they want to pause you. Because you've been on the app for like an hour and a half and they want to pause you. I can understand if you're declining orders, like declining, and then they pause you because you declined too many orders, that's one thing. But if I'm not getting any orders, then why are you pausing me? I'm over here waiting for orders to filter through my phone, so I can at least take something worth taking. I can understand after 10 declines in a row that you want to pause the app, but without even notifying me and you're pausing me on DoorDash, that's not cool. So since I found out that I could do Uber in my second market that I work, I'm declined just turn on the Uber and just have it filter through my phone. Because Uber, you can turn that sucker on whenever you want to and just leave it running. I think for 12 hours. You only can have a drive time of 12 hours, but 12 hours is more than enough time for you to make your money. And you get to see the full payout, the full potential payout. Now the consumer has an opportunity to change the tip, but at least you get to see the full potential tip. So I see this as a positive for CornerShop, Uber's version of Instacart merging with the Uber Drive app. I see it as a positive. It's going to bring more orders on the app, which is more earning potential. And if you're not signed up with Uber Eats, why are you waiting for it? I think that's going to be where it's going to be popping. Now you can work in any market that supports Uber. You turn on the app. You just won't be able to see all the surges, like the map of all the surges, or when it's when the peaks are. But you'll still be able to turn the app on and get your money. Because when you look at all the surges, for the potential surges, they only show the market you signed in. But unless you're doing ride share, you can actually work in any market. Ride share is only Uber app, as of right now that I know of, that you cannot work in another market that supports Uber, as far as I know. Now, I don't have Uber, like the rideshare portion of it, but from what I read, it's only Uber Eats and probably CornerShop and Postmates on the Uber Direct app that you can work wherever you want, wherever Uber is supported. For Uber Drive, you cannot work in any other market. So man, so this is a thumbs up for me from Uber. Because now people who are not signed up for CornerShop, who never was signed up for CornerShop, have more earning potential. You just have to get your Uber Plus card. And when I do see a CornerShop order on my phone, I'll take off through the steps on a future video. But this is Michael Anthony Fitness, MAF GigEcon. And I'll catch up with y'all next video or live stream. But make sure, once again, if y'all like this content, y'all punch that subscribe button, ring that sexy button, that smash, that like button. Because I'm going to be sitting in traffic like Mr. Vontae Davis did when he left the Bills game at halftime. And I'll see y'all on the next video or live stream.
Nobody.
He left? When did you find
Yeah,
out?
you know as much as I know. I found out going in the second half of the game. Coming out, they said he's not coming out, he retired.